Basis Theory is an API-driven platform for securing, using, and managing sensitive data. Let's say we are any B2B or B2C company that needs to collect information from a customer or partner, but we don't ever want that data to touch our backend systems. We can quickly and easily build a customized form using Basis Theory's elements. First, we will determine which fields we're okay accepting in plaintext and which fields we want to avoid our front end touching by collecting them using Basis Theory elements. Once collected, we will create a token reference to pass within our internal systems without the weight of the legal, security, or compliance burden of the actual sensitive data. In this case, we'll collect the customer name in plaintext and use Basis Theory elements to collect the phone number and credit card information. Notice elements are able to match the look and feel of your own brand and front-end experience and have custom masking and validation available for each field. In this example, we are using our React library. We also have SDKs for JavaScript, TypeScript, .NET, and Python, with more to come. Once we've collected the data, we will tokenize the input values, securely storing them in Basis Theory without any of our applications ever touching the data. Once tokenized, we pass the identifiers to our backend system to charge our customer with Stripe and send a text receipt with Twilio. For this next step, we will be using a Basis Theory reactor. These reactors are serverless compute services capable of running any code in Basis Theory's PCI Level 1 and SOC 2 compliant infrastructure. We have a pre-built library of formulas to get you started and enable you to write your own code to interact with any third-party service. We'll start by using the card token to create a payment method with Stripe using one of these pre-built reactor formulas, which utilizes Stripe's public SDK. Once configured, our code will invoke the reactor using the card token we collected from our customer. With this payment method created, we can use it with any of Stripe's endpoints, and for this example, we will charge our customer using Stripe's Payment Intents API. Now that we have charged our customer's credit card, we will leverage the proxy to send a text receipt using Twilio's API to the tokenized phone number. This will happen without the plaintext phone number ever touching our backend system. Our proxy detokenizes the token back into the plaintext phone number and forwards the request onto Twilio. This keeps your systems from worrying about the data being logged or accidentally being stored in plaintext while still using the data as if it were stored in your own database. Finally, we will head to our web portal, which is a simple UI for managing your integration to Basis Theory. It's worth noting that everything you see here has been built directly on top of our API and SDKs. We don't have any hidden endpoints, and your entire experience with Basis Theory can be managed with our APIs or Terraform provider. In the portal, you can view your dashboard to get a high-level overview of your tokens and recent audit logs. This portal also enables you to invite other team members to collaborate on securing your data, managing your system's access to your tokens with applications, and also be able to search over all your encrypted data without ever decrypting or touching the data. To learn more about how you can use all these features with our API, check out our developer portal. We are excited to see what you build with your data.